Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy once again, Father Abraham. So this tutorial is going to be a quick one, and for those who are new to Trust Wallet, they just recently installed, maybe they haven't yet to set up the wallet, or maybe you've set up your wallet but you just confused, you don't know how to do a lot of things. Don't worry, this will be a detailed guide to put you through the wallet. So this is my wallet. Sorry, I have to block my balance, so I don't know. Anyways, so the first thing I'll take you through is the home page. When you open your Trust Wallet, this is a new feature. It wasn't like this last month or 2 months ago. This is a new update now. For those who have been using this, now you can see your collectibles here for NFTs. Alright, so unfortunately I don't have my NFTs here. I have them on Binance NFT marketplace. So right here at the top you see the notification button. That is, if there's any notification from Trust Wallet, you get them there. Maybe an update or something. And then at the top right, you see where you can search for tokens and you can add them manually. All right, let's say you just bought a token from PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange where you can swap for tokens, you can buy and sell, you can exchange tokens. So let me use two examples here. Let's say you bought a token and then it's not reflecting in your balance, and then you want to add it manually. So what you do is that you just go and then search for that token. You can either make use of CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So this is Chico. Let me just search. Let's say Moon Nation token. All right, Moon Nation game. And then let's say you want to add this manually. You click on show info. This is CoinGecko, by the way. Click on show info, copy the address. Okay, you can see that it's smart chain, and then you just paste the address there. Now you see, and it's giving you the option to enable it in your your Trust Wallet, right? So you just have to just enable this, and then when you go back you will find it right there enabled. Okay, so also there are times whereby the token might not be listed on Trust Wallet already. An example is Brownie Swap. I have the token. It's actually on CoinMarketCap. So let's say you copy the address, copied, and then you paste the address here. It's not listed, like it hasn't been added to the list of coins on Trust Wallet, but you can then add this manually yourself. So it tells you no assets found. Alright, so you go to add custom token. Make sure you set the network to what it is. If it's the smart chain network, change the smart network is smart chain. If it's the Ethereum network, leave it on Ethereum. So but since this is smart chain, and then you can see it here already, yeah, it's smart chain, they didn't add it. Yeah, this is showing MetaMask. Well, smart chain, by the way. So once you've done that, then just paste the address, and then all the information will be added manually. Okay, so just click on done, and then when you do, it will lead you to the coin. You can see I've performed some transactions here already with this coin, and that's for that section. Actually very helpful and comes in handy. Make sure you keep that at the back of your mind. Then we have send. So me personally, I have a lot of coins here. I can't start scrolling down and looking. So let's say if it is astronaut I want to send, all I have to do is just to go to the send, search for ASTRO. Alright, AST, how did they spell it? Why is it not picking it? Let me see. Okay, let me just do with Revomon, REVO. Yeah, and then it's coming up. Then if you also want to receive, it's the same thing. You want to get the address. Alright, Revo, then you just select it. But one thing I would just like to show you quickly is that, just take note, this is BP20, right? You can see at the top there, where is it? BP20. You can see this BP20. So note that all BP20 tokens have the same address. So this is a decentralized network, and it's not like a centralized network where you have a token like maybe BNB. It's having different networks, but everything is just combined in one. This is decentralized. It has been divided. So now you can search for Shiba. All right, so Shiba, and then you see that Shiba, this same Shiba is having BP20 and also having ARC20. So it might even have a different network. Maybe if it's on the Polkadot blockchain, it will be there. All right, so you can search for USDT now, USDT Theta. So you can see it's having the BP20, having ARC, TRC20. So you can add them individually, like you can add them all separately, and then they will just appear separately by themselves. So if you click on send, you go to USDT, sorry about that, USDT, you see that okay, this I have just seen BB20. Okay, since I don't have funds in my ARC USDT and then my TRC20, it won't appear here to send because there's nothing here to send, but I have some funds here, that's why it's appearing here. Nevertheless, if I should scroll down, I should be able to find them here. So yeah, so this is it, TRC20, and then this is ARC20. But what I want to show you is that you will notice that the BB20 address, all of them have the same address. So let me copy OXED1F9, Zodiacs, the same thing, OXED1F9, Moon Nation, OXED1F9, Brownie Swap, BP20, OXED1F9. And in my previous tutorial on the Binance introduction, I was showing that ARC20 and then BP20 usually have the same address. It's actually the same thing everywhere. This is ARC20, OXED1F9, but the network is just different, but the addresses are always the same on almost any exchange you find yourself. This is Shiba Inu. Both the BP20 and ARC have the same address, but what I just want you to know is that all BP20 address have the same. So people who are new, when they ask you send me your smart chain address, you start looking for smart chain. All right, start looking for smart chain. Say where's my smart chain? Start scrolling to go and copy the address, but you just need to get a BP20 network and then copy. All right, so this is just a shortcut that I found out months later after I got into Trust Wallet. So then this buy, you want to buy smart chain, you can try this, but our credit cards in Nigeria don't support this. You can't, they won't process it. And we have the swap here. So in case you don't want to use pancake swap, you want to just come here and do your swap, maybe for some reasons you can just come here and swap. So let's say I want to swap for $1 worth of USDT. I want to convert my BNB to $1. Once I click on swap, it will process that transaction for me and ask me to confirm. But the problem here is that the gas fee is quite high. For me, $75. If I'm doing some pancake swap, it will be way lower. I just have to click on confirm and then it will be confirmed, but I don't want to do that. Alright, then that's for the home page. Then we have the discover. It's a new feature on Trust Wallet, but it doesn't say much. It's just quite showing you at this point, showing us the tokens with the highest let's say staking reward. So you can see that arranged from highest to lowest, from 14% to 4%. When you click on any of them, it's just going to take you to the token. So this dApps section, dApps stand for decentralized applications. Okay, D for decentralized and apps, applications. So they are just mainly websites where you go for exchange. So either you want to swap your coin, or you want to stake your coin, or you want to farm. Farming is just we have farming here, yield farming. So farming is just like you kind of staking your coin, a particular coin, to get another coin. So that kind of a thing. Yeah, you're staking one to get another one. That's a different thing entirely when it comes to crypto. Then, but basically you can see my history here. You can see I was on I just clicked on Uniswap. I was on OpenSea for NFTs, and then you also see other different links. Cedify, I was trying to buy pre-sale. Pancake swap, where you exchange. So when you are new, your best friend will pancake swap, because you want to go and buy coin. Maybe you want to swap your BNB to a different coin, that will be a different tutorial on its own. All right, so at this point, let's say you are new, you won't see all those history. So you want to look for PancakeSwap, you just scroll down, you will see PancakeSwap under the DeFi section. PancakeSwap is there, Uniswap is here, 1inch is also here. So PancakeSwap is the popular DEX, that is decentralized exchange. We go to buy BP20 token, so it's strictly for BP20. And then Uniswap is here for ARC20 tokens. And you also want to take note that this is on the Ethereum icon, and the other one, that is PancakeSwap, is having the smart chain icon. Okay, so basically PancakeSwap is for BB20, Uniswap for ERC20. 1inch can go for either ERC20 or BP20. You just have to set the network chain for the one you want to use. And then now up to our settings, so you see a wallet section. The wallet section, this shows you the number of wallets you have. Trust Wallet is a multi-coin wallet, that's the word for it. You can add a new wallet. If you're new, just create a new wallet. This is what you meet if you're new. Either you create a new wallet, or you click I already have a wallet, which you can import. You import with your private keys. So once you have your private keys, you go to I already have a wallet, go to multi-coin, and then you paste your private keys. Yeah, right. And then if you're new, just create a new wallet. Understand, they'll give you this, you have to just copy this, and then you will be asked to arrange it accordingly. And then once you are done, you'll be welcome to the home interface like this. All right, so if you have a wallet created, you want to get your private keys, you want to back them up later on, you can just click on that three icon. You can click on show recovery phrases, but I won't be showing you mine. You can change the name. This is my name, AB. I have different wallet for airdrop. It's very important to create a separate wallet for your airdrop. I have a different wallet for maybe my DeFi coins, maybe my long-term backs. I have a different wallet too for my NFTs. I created this one for crypto class, for a different class I had a time like that, but now I just have it there for something else. Alright, so you can have various airdrop wallets. Maybe you have a particular gem in one wallet, you can create a different airdrop wallet. So in case of hacks, because it's possible for your wallet to get hacked when you partake in some kind of airdrops, you can change the theme to dark mode if you want to. Alright, you can then also go to security. You can see I've been making use of my, let's say I close that. All right, I'll be asked to put this back in for security purposes, so make sure you approve that you want the passcode. All right, so if not for passcode, I have to put my pin. All right, so I have to use a new passcode. Let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so that's been accepted. Also you can click on the auto lock, whether you want to lock immediately or you want to lock after some minutes, that kind of a thing. And then you can choose your lock method, if you want just the passcode or you want to add biometric. Your biometric is your fingerprint or your face scan or face ID. Yeah, so also transaction ID must be activated. Transaction ID is when you are making an exchange on PancakeSwap and then you want transaction signing, sorry, not ID, signing, and you want your transaction to be approved by you. So in case if there are times hackers can try to connect from elsewhere and they perform a transaction on your behalf, but transaction signing, either if you are sending a coin or you are swapping on PancakeSwap or Uniswap, your fingerprint must go to approve that transaction, and it is actually very important you allow that. Preferences comes in, you can change your currency. I like to see mine in dollars, I don't like to see naira. If you want to see naira, you want to see your money in BTC, you can do all of that there. Yeah, so that browser, if you want to disable it, you can disable. If you want to clear your cache, like cache is, if you don't know, it's like something like your history. that kind of a thing. And price alerts, if you want to be getting price alerts, you can enable that. Then the rest is just bonanza. You can just play around, you can join the Twitter community, Telegram community, and all of that. So although they have Twitter and Telegram community, Trust Wallet does not have a support. All right, so if you're having issues on your wallet, they don't have a support. So you might join Telegram community and you go and tell them your problems. You get DMs from people telling you, I can help you with your this thing, send me your 12 seed phrases or send me your backup. No, don't do that. No, they'll have different names for that. If not for time, I would have taken you on a test ride, gone to Telegram and typed, I'm having issues with my Telegram account, my Trust Wallet, I need help. I will get series of DM with name Trust Wallet, and they'll tell you we can help you with this, we can help you with that, but they're all scammers. So be careful out there, my people. So that will bring us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.